I'm going to show you how you can browse free on your Airtel SIM card using your Android phone. It's simple. No settings required, just updates. So it's the Stack VPN Reloaded. You can go to your Google Play Store, you type Stack VPN Reloaded, then you download. As you can see it up here, Stack VPN Reloaded. So just download it, then you click on this three dash by your left, then you click on update tweak. Mine is already updated, so you click on update tweak. Okay, as you can see, no updates because I've already updated. Alright, so click OK. Meanwhile, your data is already on. These are adverts. So now you click on these settings here. Now you can see different tweaks for people in Congo, Ghana, MTN, Ghana, Vodacom, India. Okay, so now you select. So we have Airtel 48 MB daily, 49 MB daily, 500 MB daily, 50 MB daily. So you just choose whichever one you want to use. And let me use the which one should I use? Okay, let me use the 500 MB daily. Alright, so now click connect. I'll wait for it to connect. So it's connected.
Don't be mad at the bears. Be the bear.
Skip the adverts. You have to skip the advert. That's one of the disadvantage. But it's not on a regular base though. So skip the advert. I guess this video is alright. So now it's connected. As you can see, upload, download. The network is moving very fast, 1.1 MB already. Okay, you can start browsing with your web browser, your Chrome. And use your Chrome. It's loading. And use your Chrome to browse. You can also use YouTube. It's loading. Okay, so that's how you browse free with your Airtel SIM card. More tweaks coming, more tutorials.